Hello and welcome to my 21st video of my Name for Beginners tutorial series, Making Your Own Modules. In the last video, we have expanded our knowledge on modules so that we can resolve problems that can occur when importing multiple at once. Now we will be making our own. Making your own modules is simple. The first thing you need to do is create a new file with the .nim extension, which you can conveniently do with the Visual Studio Code Explorer tab in the top left. Over here, this little icon, new file, click on it to make a new file. Then let's give it some simple name like A, then the .nim extension, enter, and this creates a new empty module. Now to have any use from this, we need to make a procedure in it. So proc, let's call it simple, and then we need to use the star symbol for exporting procedures. Otherwise, when we will try to import this procedure from this A module in our main program, it won't work. So we need to use the star. Now let's make this procedure empty. So it's just an equal sign, and then let's echo hello world. And you should do it here. And now let's call import. So import A. Now let's also call its procedure, so simple, and because it's an empty procedure with no arguments, we need to give it parentheses. And let's run this. Here we go, it works. Displays hello world. Now you can also custom name imported modules with the as keyword, so import A as custom. Now this will work, so F6, hello world. Now to demonstrate this better, let's use the custom name of the module now, and then the procedure name, custom, simple. Now we need parentheses again, because it has no arguments. So F6, and here we go. It works. You can also export variables in them. So let's make a new variable in this A module. So variable, test variable, and export it using the star symbol. And let's give it a value of 10. Now let's display this variable. So echo test variable and F6. Here we go, it works, 10. You can also export types in them. As a side note, tuples don't have field visibility, so their field names are all exported by default. So now let's make a type section. So type. Let's make a custom array, export it, initialize it as array of size 4, type integer. Now let's use it. So let's make a new one. So variable array1 as custom array. Okay, let's echo it, array1. Here we go, an empty size 4 type integer array. Okay, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you liked it. You can also support me on Patreon. If you had any problems with any part of the video, let me know in the comment section. The code for this video is in the link in the description. Have fun.